Oh, I didn't even realize you guys were here. Ooh. Oh. What? My... Oh. Oh. Hey. I hope the money is up. So please, make sure to click the like button because I went out all the way to borrow this money to make sure the intro of this video is lit. By the way, guys, that is the things we do for YouTube. What's up? This is my last video of the year 2022 and it was awesome. This year came with a lot of growth for this Africa Amaze channel and it has been so awesome. But people keep asking me how much does YouTube pay me at about 6,000 subscribers. And as at the time of making this video, my channel total subscriber count stands at 6,245 subscribers. And for most of you who want to become YouTubers, I know all of you are usually very curious as to how much YouTubers make. And so today, that's exactly what I am going to be answering in this particular video. I'm going to be heading straight into my analytics. I'm going to be very fair with this. And YouTubers, when they want to make this kind of videos, they will go like, oh, I'm not making these videos to brag and blah, 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 blah. Look, let me tell you, what I'm about to share with you would surprise you because this is just chicken change. For the amount of time I've been on YouTube, I know this is nothing. But I'm genuinely passionate about making videos on this channel, sharing my journey as a filmmaker and, teaching, sharing knowledge with you guys for free. So my focus has not really been on the money parts of YouTube. If the money would increase in the future, I would really like it. I mean, I would really love to make a full living from YouTube. As at now, it's all still passion because whatever that I'm about to share with you guys, I know you guys are going to be shocked. So here we go. How much does YouTube pay me at around 6,245 subscribers right here on YouTube? Now, here is currently my analytics. And what I want you guys to know is that, believe it or not, YouTube does not pay you for subscribers. Yes, guys, let that sink in. You could have billions of subscribers. If your view counts are low, you are not going to get so much. YouTube solely pays for the amount of views that you get. And even that is not truly the case because it's not really about the views, but it's about the number of people who watch the advertisement that YouTube places on your videos, because it's not YouTube who pays you directly, but YouTube are kind of like the middleman. They have a platform that they work on that you, the content creator, post your video on. And so the advertiser pays them, they give a percentage to you as a creator who kind of posted a video on their platform, and they also keep, we can call it in the business world, that could be like administrative cost. They will also take a cut because it is their platform that you are posting your video on. So that is kind of like the whole YouTube payment system in perspective. So it has nothing to do with subscriber counts. So that means that you can even have 1,000 subscribers, but once you are able to get a video of, let's say, even 1 million views, you are still going to be able to make money from it. Now, CPM, RPMs, that is another whole topic on its own because all of those particular factors also influence the amount of money you are able to make. Now, let me show you a clear example of this particular scenario. What I have here is currently the analytics of one particular video I have on this channel, how to shoot with one camera. And as at the time of recording this particular video, this video that we are currently talking about has over 12,010 views since it was published. And as you can see from right here from the analytics. And it will interest you to know that with even over 12,000 views, this particular video has brought in about 642 subscribers. So there's a high propensity that most of you watching this video right now probably found me because of this particular video I posted on my channel. And let me know in the comment section below, probably if you found this channel because of this particular video. It's one of my highest performing videos of all time on this particular channel. And I really appreciate you guys so much for the support that you guys have shown me over the years, especially with this particular video. And as you can see here, look at the estimated revenue, $3.55. For over 12,000 views, I'm getting just $3.55, guys. I mean, that speaks a lot. So if your intention is just to start YouTube, or let's say start a YouTube channel just because of the money, as you can already see, I mean, you might just quit the whole thing because the first few months or few years, sometimes it's not really easy. But it also depends on the niche that you are. Probably someone who has been on this kind of platform for over a year, when they share the analytics, it might be very interesting than what I am showing you guys here. So just $3.55, guys. That is the amount of money I've been able to make from this video. Now, on the same vein, let me show you the highest performing video on this channel. Let's take a look at how much I made on that particular video. So when we come to the top videos here, as we can see, this video on why India has the most complete actors, this by far till now is my highest performing video. Now let's open this particular video, and straight away you would realize that this video has over 343,000.7k views. I mean, mind-blowing, and it gave me over 1.6k subscribers, guys. And so again, there's a high chance that some of you watching this video right now probably would have found me through this Indian content that I actually started creating within this year. This has been one of my successful series that I've actually started on this channel. That is a movie reviews that I began towards the end of 2022, and it has been so awesome, guys. And out of this over 300,000 views, guys, I have made an estimated amount of $80.52 from this particular video. So by far, that is the highest amount I've made from any other video on this channel. So you can see that it has nothing to do with subscriber count. It's basically about video. YouTube treats payment basically on each single video basis. So in this case, for people like me, probably the best solution would have been to post more. Unfortunately, the kind of niche that I am, I have to put in much more effort to make sure that these videos are really up to standard. So it's not about quantity, but mostly it's about quality. I always want to offer you guys the best of the best. So basically, that is it for the video to video basis. Now, to the part of the video you all have been waiting for. What is the total amount that I have made since starting this channel? In fact, how much money have I made in total at about 6,000 subscribers? Here we go. I'll go straight back to the analytics here, and let's go to revenue. And over here, instead of last 28 days, let's go to lifetime. And boom. So over here, your general estimated revenue is $155.31. So guys, there you have it. That is the total amount I have made. That is $155.31 in total. And in terms of what I have been paid so far, about some few weeks ago, I was actually paid $105.43. And for my country where I stay right now, how much would that be? $0.43 in Ghana cedis. At the time of making this video, it is actually 1,503.99 Ghanaian cedis. That is the total amount of money I was paid some few days ago as my Christmas gift. So there you have it. If your intention is to start a YouTube channel, I would do much encourage you to actually do so. But please do not put your mind solely, sorry about that. Please do not put your mind solely on the amount of money that you are going to be making, because I promise you that you are going to be frustrated, especially when you're starting out and you get like 10 views, 5 views, and you look at your favorite YouTuber and he or she has like 10 million views, 1 million views. But you've suddenly forgotten that he or she might probably already be on the channel for over a year or 2 or 3 and probably have learned certain things that you are yet to learn. So the key is never compare yourself to others and just work hard. If your intention is to start this channel, go ahead and start it. And please make sure that, because I often get questions or people tell me my life is not interesting, there's nothing like an interesting life. You can make every life as interesting as it is. If you ever doubt that anybody would want to see so-called your boring life, just know that a video of a washing machine has several millions of subscribers. And someone who just comes online and just eats food without even uttering a word from their mouth has over millions of subscribers, because people just come to just watch him eat. If this will not encourage you to kind of start your own channel, I don't know what else will, because you can start a channel about virtually anything or everything on this earth, and you are definitely going to get followers or people who are going to be passionate about what you do. I am passionate about filmmaking and talking about movies and reviewing them and all that, and teaching and sharing my filmmaking knowledge. And that is what I have been doing on this channel all this while. And I really do much appreciate that always, because here I always have positive energy. And for some reason, the universe has always united me with awesome people like you guys who are always willing, and you always kind of share that same positive vibe. And so the words that we constantly address each other here are brother, sister, friend, dear. I'm so thankful that the universe has kind of united you and I through this particular medium, because you guys have been so awesome. You guys have been part of my life, and I thank God for all of your lives, and of course my life as well, because this year has really been awesome. And I'm praying that 2023 would actually be a very great year for all of us. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, welcome. This is the Africa Amaze channel. Over here, I do talk about cinematography, photography, editing, and all its related branches. We also watch movies and learn about other movie industries across the globe. If all this sounds interesting, then I do much appreciate it if you do click on the subscribe button. Please make sure to do turn on the post notification bell so you are notified anytime I drop awesome content like this right here from Africa. Please make sure to click the like button, because as you can see, I borrowed this money from my mom to make this video so that the intro would be quite interesting. So I really do hope this video kind of inspired you with my little analytics, with my chicken change that I've shared with you guys. I just hope you guys have been motivated one way or the other to start a channel. And for those of you who have been demotivated because you were thinking that probably at 6,000 subscribers, the money would have been much, I don't know what else to say to you guys, but all I can say is that follow your heart. If you still want to start a channel, go ahead and do so. And I can guarantee you that it will certainly pay off in the future. YouTube is a long-term thing. Do not look at today, but where you are going to be in the next few years. From my very messy studio here with my computers and my light here, everything on this channel, we say see you in 2023, and it's bye.